Okay, next. Good. Just make sure your front wheel is parallel to the cone. If you are turning right, your right front wheel is parallel to the cone. If you are turning left, your left front wheel is parallel to the cone. Yeah, go closer. Start turning right away. Start turning. You will be okay. Start turning. Be careful there, you hit it. You are not. So you need to come straight and be parallel. If you come like skewed, you'll not be able to do it because you need to come straight so that you can be able to put it to master the. Yes. Start turning right away because you are coming in a skew line. That's why you see. Look at the back. You'll be able to hit there. Yeah, the problem is because of, see, it's closer. Cool. Yes. So drive in a straight line. When you want to first, so as you are going, drive in a straight line closer to the cone. Yeah. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Yeah. You start turning right away. Yes. Now the right line. The right wheel. Yes. Go again forward. Yeah. So what forklift operator don't understand is that this is what saves you to avoid hitting the cone. And if you are a beginner, this is what saves you. This tip saves you how to control your speed and to master the volume of your forklift, because this is what helps you to go around the narrow aisle when you are walking. You need to know how to do zigzag, or what also called 8. This is a major exercise, going between the cone on zigzag or 8 help you to master it. And those tips I have given you, most of students that I have been helping, their main issue is going through the cone. Some of them, the speed control will be a problem. So when they do it several times, they will start mastering the speed control.